This image shows a 1907 $1,000 gold certificate, a rare and highly valuable large-size United States banknote. Portrait. The center of the note features a portrait of Alexander Hamilton, the first U.S. Secretary of the Treasury. Design. These notes were part of a series that allowed the bearer to redeem them for the equivalent amount in gold coin. Signatures. This specific specimen appears to bear the signature combination of Napier-McClung, which is notably rare for this series. The 1907 $1,000 gold certificate is a primary example of high-denomination, large-size, U.S. currency, measuring roughly 7.375 by 3.125 inches, substantially larger than modern bills. Era of the Goldback. First authorized in 1863, gold certificates were essentially receipts for physical gold coin deposited in the U.S. Treasury. The 1907 series is famous for its vibrant orange reverse, which earned these notes the nickname Goldbacks. While intended for general circulation, high-denomination notes like the $1,000 bill were primarily used for large bank-to-bank transactions and to settle significant gold accounts. Rarity and historical significance. Signatures. This series featured several signature combinations. One of the rarest is the Napier-McClung pair. Some reports suggest only one such note may exist today outside of government collections. The 1933 gold recall. Most gold certificates were removed from circulation in 1933 when President Franklin D. Roosevelt signed Executive Order 6102, which outlawed the private ownership of gold coins, bullion, and certificates. Legal status. Private ownership was legalized again in 1964 to allow for numismatic collecting. While they are still technically legal tender at face value, they can no longer be redeemed for gold. Discontinuation. The U.S. stopped printing high-denomination bills, including the $1,000, $5,000, and $10,000, after 1945, and the Federal Reserve officially discontinued them in 1969 due to lack of use and concerns over their role in illegal activities. Today, they are prized as horse blanket notes due to their large size and historical grandeur. Historical value and market interest. Auction results. Exceptional examples of this note are extremely rare. A finest known specimen realized $264,000 at auction in March 2025. Another notable example sold for $176,250. Rarity. Only a small number of these notes have survived into modern times, often with only dozens of known examples in various conditions. Replicas. Due to their extreme rarity and high cost, reproduction replicas of this 1907 $1,000 bill are commonly sold for collectors. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more update.